here we go. Let's get to work. There we go. Disconnect both of these right here. These are the lights I installed. So take these out of here. Put it down. There, disconnect. That's all you need. So these are easy to take off. Alright, now this guy, this and this one and this one. Let's remove those. Same drive, 6mm or an H40. I have the H40. Okay, like I said, I may reuse these. There is a right and a left, so be careful. Now this and this. Oh my goodness. Alright, so far it looks like it's fitting exactly. Now, actually let's take this one off. Let me redo this one because I want to put the black one out there. You won't see the second one. The one I'm installing now, you won't see that one, but you will see the one out here. So I'm gonna make that the one. I'm gonna reuse that one. Oh, so I should reuse the bottom one because I think you can see the bottom one. Let's see. Now, I saw a video where, see, if I do this, this is gonna hit that. So let's see if I can use an extension. All right, well, let's do the other side. That was too easy, too easy. Okay, same thing. Let's remove this guy. I'm very, very careful, even though this is meant to be taken off and on, because you have access to a lot of things. Always be careful. Okay. Now, same thing with the lights here. I got this one right there. And I have, where's my other one? Oh no. Oh, where's my other one? Oh, I'm such a dummy. I left the other one on top, didn't I, when I installed it? So on this one, I'm such a dummy, but that's okay. I installed the rear lights and I left this one up here, never thinking, hey, when I need to disconnect, it should be out here. Huh. Okay, let's remove that guy. The seat to install these crash bars. I'm only doing it because when I wired the rear lights, those lights, when I wired those, I left the wire underneath the seat. What a dummy I am. Okay. Now, there we go. There we go. Since we're here, and be careful because you don't want to cut the wires. Alright, that's a zip tie. Now, I should be able to pull this down. Give it some slack from here. Oh, I'm gonna need this end too. Oh, is that why I put it up there? Ah, so I put it up there because I had no choice, right? Let me see. Let me undo this whole nest here. Yep, see? Oh, no. There it goes. It could be ran right there. Okay. All right. So, yeah, it was my mistake. Of course, who else would have made this mistake? All right. So here on this, just push in this little tab in the front, push it down and slide it out. All right. Now we're ready to remove the bag. But if you don't have those lights, I guess it's no problem for you. All right, come on. This has to go on as smooth as the other one. Da 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 da. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. It seems to line up. Let's see now. Which is funny that little piece of plastic that doesn't do anything, they had like Loctite on the bolt. Like, what do they think was gonna happen to that piece of plastic? Okay, and it's on. You know, this was extremely easy to put on. Extremely easy. I like to double check, make sure it's on there nice and snug and everything snapped back on, because I don't want to have to look for that part. They'll probably charge you like $1,000 for a piece of plastic. Very nice. It looks really good. It looks good. The reason I went with that one is because I already had this one, right? So I already had that one and it matches. That one is a little thicker. And I bought it on eBay. Like I said, I'll share the link so that you guys can see it was a direct fit. I didn't have to muscle it at all like some people that have bought others on eBay or Amazon. And especially, these were $55. That's how much I paid. $55 for that, for those crash bars. And I think the Indian ones, what are they, 150 or more? Now, there are some at a different site that are 140 or something. They have a different look. They actually match the style of the handlebar. If I had that already in that style, I would have purchased it. But since that one matches that one, that's the reason I got that one. And honestly, people, I'm very happy with it. I am very, very happy with it. That motorcycle is gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right. Well, today it is about 8 in the morning. I just finished 8 in the morning, and it's 100 degrees here in Arizona. So, look at that. Gorgeous. All right. Get a final view of this gorgeous beast. And we're going to turn it on just for fun.